This magnificent feat of engineering and design is, of course, the new Volvo EX90.
It's a born electric platform, and that allows us to use the maximum space. So flatbed for maximum battery storage, but also for ride stability. And then on top of that, of course, we've got all the new technology that we're pouring into that, from LiDAR technology, cameras, radar sensors, all the safety technology you would expect.
In order to create a focused, simple, and safe user experience, we have created parts of the infotainment system that are specific for a certain situation. For example, the welcome screen that the user gets when it gets into the car, and it has all the controls that are relevant for the situation.
With the new car, we have LiDAR and other sensors to help us see around the car. We have added sensors looking at the driver to help us help the driver. And we have occupant sensing system in which we are taking the first step in actually using for helping us avoid leaving children or pets behind.
But we're super proud of this car. I mean, it's got all the refined form language. We've really spent a lot of time getting that confidence in the design and the beautiful balance of the proportions and aerodynamics. We created the moving Thor's hammer light, which also creates a personality. So you get this expression and character from the lights opening and closing.